2023. Just now I heard the bad news regarding the police atrocities, and I strongly condemn the incident. The police personnel have attacked our innocent student who are having peaceful movement. As you all know, the Roman script in Koktwma is a long demand. For the last 50 years, our Tiprasa people are demanding for implementation of Koktwma in Roman script. It is very sensitive demand and serious demand. Today, the student wing of the Pramotha party have launched the movement, peaceful movement, deputation to the governor of Tripura. And while they are marching peacefully towards governor house, they were stopped on the way, and some of our volunteers, some of our student leaders went for submitting the memorandum to the governor of Tripura. But very unfortunately, the governor did not entertain to meet our leaders, student leaders. It is very sad news. Being a guardian of the state, the governor is not willing to attend and to meet our student leader. This message was got by the students who are having demonstration, and they are very upset, and it is very sad to know, having the peaceful movement for the Roman script in Koktwma, some of the arrogant police officers attacked to our student, and I have a list here, the name, around 7 of them, three girls, 3 boys are seriously injured, and they were admitted to the hospital, Jiva hospital, and we are monitoring about their health condition. And it's very unfortunate to know that in our own land, the son of the soil, the student were tortured and harassed in this kind of situation. And as you all know, this is the first movement organized by the student wing of the Pramotha, and it is our lesson to know that in near future we are going to have an aggressive movement with a large number, because today unfortunately we don't have a large number, only we are around 2,000-3,000. But in near future we'll invite all the student communities who are supporting our Roman script demand, and hopefully in very near future we're going to organize peaceful movement for demand of Roman script. And as you all know, our people are suffering for long years, for the last 50 years. Still now the state government are not taking very seriously about these Roman script issues. We have experienced for the last 30 years of Congress rule government, they are not taking care of this. And again, left from government for the last 25 years, they are also not taking care of this. And again now, BJP government for the last 5 years, they are also not taking serious about this matter. And we believe, because anything, we are having the peaceful movement, were attacked and harassed by the police personnel. I think in next course of action, we'll plan out how to move our movement, how to launch our movement, and we believe our genuine demand, Koktwma Roman script, will be implemented very soon. And I, as an ex-minister, I have a lot of experience regarding this Roman script movement. Because Roman script Koktwma was introduced in TDIDC areas, and even there is a file going on, and suddenly the BJP government, some of the BJP leaders are demanding Devanagari script. It is very unfortunate. Till date, the government of Tripura cannot decide whose script to be adopted, whether Bengali script, Roman script, or then Devanagari script. They are confused. But it is people demand. 90% people who speak Kokborok are demanding Roman script. It is a favorable script. We all know. But I don't know why the government of Tripura is ignoring the genuine demand. I think time is already enough. In the next course of action, we'll plan out. We'll immediately have a meeting with our senior leader of the Pramotha, and we'll decide in the course of action. And here I want to read out some of the injuries person of our student, Uttam Tripura, who was really seriously injured, and Jorani Deborma also hospitalized. It's a young girl. Sonia Deborma is from Gabodi school, also very seriously injured. Prince Deborma also seriously injured, and Betsaba Deborma also seriously injured. Muskan Deborma is very young and dynamic leaders. Ladies also seriously injured, and Chadra Deborma, coordinator, also seriously injured. The 7 of the students are very seriously injured, and we are monitoring their situation. We are helping them out. Now, all our senior leaders, immediately I called them meeting. Maybe today, tomorrow we'll have a meeting, and we'll see. We'll find out.